So hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So this is one of the interesting questions in this series. So we have exponents, we have parentheses, we have division, we have. So how to approach these questions? The same rule of operations we follow. So from left to the right, we need to give the priority for the operations like this. So it is called the BODMAS rule, as we know. We have solved many questions in this pattern. So this is the parentheses should come first, then the exponents, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and finally subtraction. So first parenthesis solve. So 4 minus 2 will be 2. So next we need to solve the exponents. So we here have 2 squares, right? 3 square we have, 2 square we have. So we need to solve the exponent next, and also we have the 2 cube is there, right? So all these exponents should be solved next after parenthesis. So 3 square is 9. 9 into 2 square is 4 minus 2 cube is 8, right? 2 into 2, so 8 divided by 2. So now we have multiplication, division, and subtraction. So our next priority should be division, right? So what we need to do is 9 into 4. 9 into 4 minus division. Divide 8 by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So 9 into 4 by 4. So the next priority should be multiplication and the last should be subtraction. So 9 into 4 is 36. 36 minus 4. So the final answer will be 32. So in this way, we need to solve such questions. It is very much simple. So just follow this order and solve any interesting questions in this pattern. So if you like the content, please like the video, share the video to your friends, and contribute to the UPA channel in the description if possible. And subscribe our channel. That's all. I will come up with another interesting series of questions in next video. Thank you.